Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Rose Gajra, where you need to learn how to make a rose flower and puff flower. So let's start with the rose flower. I'm starting with the magic loop and then I will make 37 chains. The second part is skipping 3 chains and making double crochet in the fourth one. Again, I'm going to skip 1 chain and I will make 2 double crochet in the next one. And that's how we will complete this row. We will skip 1 chain and 2 double crochet in the next chain. This row is completed, so now I'm turning the work. To start next row, chain 1, half double crochet in the space of 2 double crochets. So basically we made 2 double crochets, set of 2 double crochets in the last row, and in those set of 2 double crochets we will make crochet petals. So half double crochet in that space and 6 double crochets in the same space. After that, we have spaces between the set of 2 double crochets as well. So I'm gonna make 1 single crochet there to separate the petals in each set. So here we are making double crochets directly, 6 double crochets, and that's how it will continue to the end. This row is completed. In the last, I'm making half double crochet and one single crochet to finish the row. Okay, it's done. So now the last step, we have to fold the row to make a rose, and then it's your choice if you want to glue it or stitch it. Next step, you need to learn crochet puff flower. So for that, I'm starting with a magic loop, then chain 4, now slip knot in the first chain to make a tiny circle, 3 chains to start a petal. Now we will do the double crochet process, but we will pull the thread to give it a puffy look, and we have to do it 3 more times, and we will not complete the double crochet, so it will become puffy. Okay, now yarn over from all the loops, now chain 3, and slip knot in the little tiny circle which we made in the start. 1 petal is done. That's how we will make 4 more petals to make a crochet puff flower.